Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry egg oatmeal. And these are the ingredients you need. Milk, oats, water, blueberry, and egg. Okay, I'm going to use half cup of oats. Pour it into the pot. Half cup milk. Half cup water. 2 big tablespoons of blueberry. I'm using frozen berry, and you can use fresh or frozen, so 2 big scoops. You can add more if you like. And then I'm cracking the eggs in too. And now I'm turning the heat into high and let it boil. Don't touch it, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pot. So let it boil before we touch. My pot is boiling, so now I am going to stir. Only the egg area that I put in, it sticks to the bottom, but other than that, everything is fine. No sticking, and now I can turn off the stove. It's ready to serve. You can add some salt if you like, but I prefer no salt, so it's optional. Okay, if you like. And the oatmeal is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.